If anyone out there has a busted out rear window in their C7500 truck and you're wondering where to find glass for it, just look for the Chevy 1500. The 1500 is exactly the same as the 7500. So this is a 7500 series truck right here, and I pulled this glass out of a 1500 at the salvage yard, and you can see how it fits it perfectly. So if you're wondering, the salvage yard will probably tell you that they can't look up the glass for this big of a truck, but they are the same glass. This is a 97 model truck, so whatever years the 97 1500s are for the rear back glass all the way through on these type of cabs, they will fit. So here you see it's a 7500, same glass as a 1500. Also, the door hinge pins, I got those for the 1500 also. That's how we looked them up at the parts store. But you can see the hinges and the bushings are the same also.